Good morning, everybody. Brandon with Burnt Lawn Care. Thank you for tuning in for another video. Let me show you what we got going on. So me and Renee just got done mowing this lawn. It came out very nice. Striped it this way with the walker. Okay, edged it all up so the lines look good. And just to give it a little extra swag, we cut it this way too. It just gives the lawn that super clean look that I'm looking for. Over here on this big hump where the septic system is, we edged all this in, got it looking real crispy, got it striped up nice. This is the quality versus quantity that I'm talking about. It takes us a little while to cut these. You know, I'm not a high production landscape company. I charge my customers more money and spend a little extra time on their lawn. It seems to be working out pretty good for us. You know, we're not just in and out wham bam type landscape company. I'll give you a shot of the cut quality so you guys can see how clean it is. It's been bagged. We're bagging a lot of lawns now just to give them that nice look that we're looking for. I'll give you a hilltop shot of the lawn that we just cut. Doesn't that look good? Nice and clean. Nice clean edges. Nice lines. Just an overall clean cut. One of you guys asked me on under the YouTube comments, are you guys charging for this to spend the extra time? And that's a great question. The answer to that is yes. I'm probably the most expensive landscaper around my area. And, you know your worth, guys. All right, so we're here at our next property. You guys have probably seen this one on video before. It's a nice, beautiful house, beautiful property. It's a windy day out today. All these leaves here are blowing from the woods right into the lawn. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get it clean because, you know, the wind's just going to be not in our favor. So, but we're going to give it a mow because it's way overdue. And we're going to go around and we're going to edge all the mulch beds with the bed edger because we're going to be installing mulch. We're not going to install mulch today, but we're going to be installing mulch maybe in a couple days or so. So I want to show you how we get those edges nice and sharp. So we're going to mow it first, get it clean, and then we'll start edging. So real quick, guys, since I bagged this lawn, I'm going to go over it first and cut it without the bagger on it to reduce my clipping size. one pass on it just to get the lines going. This wind is gonna really be the death of me today. It's literally blowing all the leaves out of the woods and into the front lawn. This is gonna drive my OCD through the wall. But I haven't mowed this section yet over here, but I got the front yard done. I'm gonna go over it now with the bagger. I'm gonna try to bag up all these leaves before they make a mess out of what I'm trying to do here. Not sure if you guys can even hear me, but here's what it looks like after the second pass with the bagger. The cut looks good, but I can't stand it when debris left over in the yard. It really pisses me off. But like I said, this wind is just not going to be on our side today. Guys, I just can't win on this one. The wind is driving me absolutely crazy. This is going to really piss me off. But this is as clean as I can get it. It's just blowing leaves from out of the woods all into the lawn. I've gone over it with the bagger. I mean, there's times like this where you just gotta roll with the punches, but I like to leave lawns nice and clean, and this lawn's not going to be clean today. It's unfortunate. The day started off good and went to hell real quick. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Alright guys, so this is my little wonder bed edger, bed shaper actually, if you want to get technical. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace for $300. I think it was a little over a couple of years ago now. Didn't run. It was a total basket case. These things are like $4 or $5 grand new. So I put a new carburetor on it, went through it, got it running, and although it looks rough, it does a great job cutting in new beds for me, and it's paid for itself, you know, 20 times over. It was the best $300 I ever spent. It doesn't have a throttle cable. It's broken. So I kind of just screwed the cable in at full throttle. I just tightened it up, so every time I started it's at full throttle. But we got to get a new cable for that eventually, but gets the job done. So I'm going to show you how we carve out some beds and redefine them, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so now that I got my edge started with the bed edger, I'm going to use this edging shovel here just to clean out the edge, like so, where the bed edger went, so I get a nice clean sharp edge. Guys, so Renee's weeding this bed. I just got done cleaning out the edge. This is the best as I could get it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it as deep as I wanted to because of these tree roots here. They're everywhere. Normally I like to dig these 4 to 5 inches down, but there's just tree roots everywhere in this bed. So that's the best that this bed's gonna get. Roots everywhere. Up north we have soil that's loaded with roots and rock. Sometimes you get beds that are real easy to edge up. Other times they're a pain. Another tree root. The bed edger, I noticed, is not good at redefining edges. It's good at making new ones, but it's not very good at redefining. Alright guys, so I just got done edging this bed here. It's not as deep as I'd like it, but it's about 3.5 inches deep. That'll be plenty for the mulch, and it'll still look good all year. I like to get them deeper than that, but it's just not possible. Luckily I was careful. That's an irrigation line. Thank God I didn't hit that. That was a close call. Today's goal was to get this lawn mowed, get these beds cleaned out, and get it ready for mulch. However, Mother Nature's not going to be on our side today. Wind just keeps making a mess of everything we're doing. It's blowing leaves all over the yard. You know, 30-40 mile an hour gusts coming through here, just making a mess. You wouldn't even know we were here. So we're gonna abort this mission for today and wait for a better day to come back and finish this. I'll probably end up mowing this again when we come back, because you can't have debris in the yard like this. It's a nightmare. It's a mess. So tomorrow's another day. All right guys, so me and Renee just got home. We decided to call it quits on this job for today because of the wind. It was just crazy. We were trying to clean the mulch beds out and get them ready for mulch. However, the wind was just blowing debris right at us, blowing leaves in our face, just making a mess of the bed that we had just cleaned out. So sometimes you just gotta roll the punches. We're gonna try to hit it again tomorrow or the next day. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.